Memoir de Montagne is a fresh green gourmand scent. It's not fully gourmand because meron tayong gourmand sa Dreamer line which is Eclat Noir. But this is gonna be your freshy everyday scent. Sa mga naghahanap ng unique everyday fragrance, ito na yung hinihintay ninyo. That's my design sa line ko. Kaya yan tatlo because one for special occasion, that's Eclat Noir, special occasion, date night scent. Vieux Papier is gonna be your office formal fragrance. And then this is your daily fragrance. Okay, this is fresh, but again, nakikita nyo naman siguro sa mga promotions namin na meron kaming nilagay na Suman Accord because as you know, this is inspired by my childhood. Inspired siya sa Rizal province kung saan ako lumaki. Other than making it unique, I really wanted to put a special touch to it, which is sabi ko, if you go to Rizal, isa sa mga parang delicacies na makikita mo ron is really suman. I think everybody is aware and familiar and nakatry naman na siguro ng suman. Lahat naman siguro tayo dumaan dyan. So, I really want to encapsulate the Filipino touch of suman dito sa fragrance na to so that when you smell this fragrance, this will smell different to you in a sense that you haven't smelled anything like this. That's number one. Number two is, despite being different and unique, this will smell nostalgic, familiar, and home to you. So that's the goal of Memoir de Montagne. Para naranasan mo na siya before in your past life or in your childhood, parang ganun. This fragrance aims to bring back the nostalgia in us. That's what you can expect with Memoir de Montagne. Dropping this February 20.